Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I have a huge weekend lined up for everybody. So, starting today, ending on Sunday, I will be doing auctions on our auction group on Facebook, Myshire Quail Egg Auctions. So we're going to have pansy fees and SSCs and GPCs and all kinds of stuff on there to auction off. We have a lot of fun. Hopefully you'll be able to join and check that out. But also, I'll be posting a video tomorrow concerning the All About the Colors video, where we're going to be bringing out a new color to show you guys for those videos. So that'll be fun, so check that out. And then on Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are going live like we always do every week for a live Q&A. But this week is going to be huge. Number one, we have someone in the UK that is going to be giving away some eggs, and whoever has the best question on our live Q&A, we will be sending them free eggs in the UK, so that'll be fun. We're also going to be doing an auction for a Winola Ranch cage on our live Q&A this Sunday at 7 p.m. This is a $100 cage. It comes with 2 waters, a little water cup here, a feeder, everything, the pan, everything. It retails at $100. We're starting the auction off on our live Q&A this Sunday at 7 p.m. for 99 cents. So that'll be a lot of fun. We'll have a lot of fun with that. I'll be able to answer any questions you have concerning Coturnix quail. And we are also going to be doing a giveaway on our auction page this weekend for participation. Yes, we are giving away a participation trophy this week. So you will want to check all of that out. And I hope to see you on the auction group. I hope to see you Sunday at 7 p.m. for a live Q&A. And remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I've got a video coming tomorrow all about the colors. We'll see you then. Thanks.